Why automate daily status reports in Slack?
Collecting daily status updates is vital for team coordination, but manual reminders and follow-ups can be time-consuming. Automating this process in Slack ensures everyone shares updates on time, reduces repetitive work, and keeps information easily accessible, all within the app many teams already use throughout the day.
Getting started with Slack workflows.
Slack workflows are built-in tools that let you automate routine tasks without any coding. Find them by clicking on Workflows in your Slack sidebar or under Tools. With just a few clicks, you can build custom flows that prompt users for information and share results automatically in a channel.
Creating your daily status workflow.
Begin by choosing Create Workflow and setting up a trigger like a scheduled time each day. Add a form to collect status updates with fields such as what did you accomplish and any blockers. You can customize questions to match your team's needs.
Sharing and managing updates automatically.
Once team members submit their status updates, the workflow can automatically share summaries or individual responses in a chosen channel. Everyone gets real-time visibility, making it easy to identify issues or celebrate achievements without constant manual oversight.
Tips for effective automated status reports.
To get the most from automated reports, keep your form concise, schedule it at a consistent time, and review responses as a team. Regular feedback on the workflow can help refine questions and keep everyone engaged. Automated status updates foster transparency while saving valuable time.